The simulation demonstrates the motion of an object on a horizontal plane under the influence of a constant force. In the help section, the detailed theory of the simulation is mentioned. The parameter m indicates the mass of the object. The parameter f represents the magnitude of the force applied to the object. The parameter μ denotes the coefficient of friction between the object and the surface. The parameter v0 indicates the initial velocity of the object. The parameter φ denotes the angle formed between the direction of the force F and the horizontal plane. The parameter SR, simulation rate, indicates the rate of the motion simulation. Along the y-axis direction, the body experiences its weight W, the reaction R from the horizontal plane, and the vertical component Fy of the force F. Along the x-axis direction, the body experiences the horizontal component Fx of the force F and the friction F from the plane. In the results table, applications of Newton's first law on the y-axis and the calculation of reaction R, calculation of friction F, application of Newton's second law on the x-axis and the calculation of acceleration A, equation of the body's velocity and its corresponding value, equation of displacement and its corresponding value. We can pause the simulation. We can hide the vector quantities of the phenomenon. We can hide the results table. We reset the simulation to its initial environment. We can select various combinations of parameters and study the simulation. Finally, in the Problems option, problems corresponding to the simulation are proposed. You can solve the problems and verify the correctness of the results using the simulation.